So, good evening, students. In this, we are going to see about audit report in auditing and assurance. We all very well know about what is maybe audit and what is maybe assurance, right? So, how the audit report is to be prepared? An audit report is a formal, independent document which auditor expresses an option on an organizational financial statement. After an auditor verifying the company's report, the auditor may prepare one report regarding the financial statement, profit and loss of that company. Everything will be inside that audit report. So, the purpose of an audit is to ensure the accuracy and reliability and completeness of the information being examined. Audit report is typically prepared by a certain public accountant, CPA. He will be called as an CPA, and it is prepared or an internal auditor. So, internal auditor is prepared then financial statement of that company to the stakeholders or the management or regulatory bodies. The main audit report is a formal and independent document. It provides the stakeholders like investors, lenders, regulators with an objectives of an assessment and organizational financial health and accuracy of the transparency of that company. So, mainly in audit report, there will be a title regarding independent audit report or an audit report. Independent audit report means independent audit report. It will be prepared by an internal auditor by himself by verifying all the documents. So, that will be mentioned in that. After that, management responsibility. The management a responsible person, because it is everything is related to the financial statement and financial thing. The internal control will be under the control of management. So one of the members will be there in the management responsibilities. Then signature and date will be there, and opinion paragraph about the verification of that audit report. The title of the report usually includes like independent auditor report and internal audit report to indicate the nature of an auditor. Second one, the report is addressed to the organizational management or a board of directors depending on the type of an audit. Which type of audit is will be included in the company, everything will be there in the address. Then introductory paragraphs. The section includes information about the responsibility of an auditor and the purpose of an audit. It may also mention the applicable financial reporting framework, scope of a work. This session outlines a specific area or procedure where subject of audit is clearly mentioned. It clarifies and examines what to do, what the auditor did from the first day to till date, and what are the financial statement he has to be organized. Everything will be there inside the auditor. Next one is audit methodology. The report may briefly describes the audit methodology used, including any samples, techniques, and testing the process. Audit finding. What are the findings that an auditor identified while doing audit in their company? And it might be a positive findings or a negative findings. It must be clearly mentioned everything in this that audit report. The main body of the report will be discussed, and the auditor finds it difficult and any issues related while preparing audit report. The auditor has to mention the management or who are else coming will be find out. Management responses. In some cases, there may be a section for management response to finding the explanation and correctness are taken planned by the management. So the management has to give a proper explanation regarding to that. Then last signature will be there. In that signature, the report concluded with an auditor overall financial statement. However, the internal audit will be conducted by the one person, and other things will be conducted by the auditor assistant. But the signature of the audit report will be conducted by the auditor. He must state everything in the below of that report. Common option includes an unqualified, qualified advice or disclaimer of an option. It should be mentioned in that. After that, signature and date. The report is typically signed and dated by an auditor, indicating the date of completion, and and the report should be identified. Additional disclosure. Depending upon the nature of an audit, there may be addition of disclosure related to the legal and regulatory compliance and frauds and other matters. So, audit certificate, the purpose of an audit certificate is more document and specifying the entire financial information of that company. So, it must be confidential to outside of the company. And there will be a specific format for contacting the audit certificate. Depends upon the company, it may vary. So, and the content also vary depend upon that. So, like that, the audit certificate also has to prepare. So thank you. In next video we will see about the other thing related to